I'm sure you guys have seen viral fake conversation videos on YouTube Shorts or TikTok at least once. As you can see, they are getting millions of views easily. I have come up with an idea to create these viral fake conversation videos with a completely new AI tool that even generates a video script in a single click and offers multiple story types to choose from. So, in this video, I will guide you through the process of creating the same video. I bet you won't want to miss a second, so watch till the end. Welcome to AI Upskill. First, let's look at what we are creating today.
Why were you flirting with Uncle Alex?
What are you talking about?
I saw you two flirting in the living room.
That's nothing.
I know what I saw.
Even if I was, that's none of your business. You're just my stepson. Do you want to know a secret?
What is it?
Your dad is actually in a meeting tonight. And I was thinking
What were you thinking?
that maybe we could have a sleepover tonight.
But you're my stepmom.
So what's the big deal? We can just share a bed and keep each other company. Nothing has to happen between us.
Fine. Deal.
Deal?
Introducing Korpi, an AI-powered video generator tool that creates viral short videos in minutes. It can create Reddit stories, Twitter threads, viral clips, split screens, and brain rot quiz. But today, we'll focus on one of the most popular niche, which is fake text stories. So, head over to this tool from the description of this video and sign in with your Google account. Once you have completed your sign-in, you'll be brought to this friendly dashboard. On the dashboard, select the Fake Text Story feature. Click the Sample Data button to automatically import sample messages. You can also manually enter messages by clicking the Add Receiver and Add Sender buttons. To delete all messages, click the Clear button. The Import button allows you to upload an existing script in the format given above. However, the AI script option is the most interesting. Here, you can choose the type of template you want. As you can see, it supports nearly all viral story types. Additionally, you can also enter a custom prompt according to your needs. Stay tuned, as we will be exploring both methods. For now, select an existing template and click the Generate Script button. This is where the magic happens. As you can see, Korpi AI automatically imports messages in the following format. To add a profile image, simply click the Upload button. From below, provide a name to your contact. You can also select sound effects for a particular message. It has a variety of options. I'll go with the iPhone notification receive sound effect. From here, you can select the type of message. It could either be a message or an image. Once you're done with these settings, simply click the Next button. Here are a few chat themes to choose from, such as WhatsApp, iMessage, and Instagram. Once selected, click the Next button. The video section allows us to select a background for our video from a variety of options. To prevent copyright issues, Korpi AI allows you to use a green screen. I'm going with Subway Surfers for now, and I'll hit Next. In the audio section, you can choose a background music for your video. As of now, I will not select any of them. Finally, select voiceovers for both the left and right speakers. These are all 11 Labs voices, which sounds extremely perfect. So, once you're also done with all of your adjustments, simply click on the Generate Video button. Korpi AI will begin the video generation. Let's fast forward the generation process. And, as you can see, our video is ready. Click here to download the video. Here's a small preview of it.
Hey, Miss Kim.
Hello, Alex. Any reason why you're messaging me at 9 in the evening? Shouldn't you be studying for your finals?
Of course I'm studying. I just had a question about our private math lesson.
What is it? You're not having trouble with the assignments, are you?
No, that's not it. I was just wondering if I should wear anything specific tomorrow.
What kind of question is that, Alex? You should dress comfortably, right?
Well, that might be a problem.
Why is that?
I kinda don't know what to choose.
It's fine, I'll bring some options tomorrow.
Thanks, Miss Kim.
Hey, Alex. I know your test is tomorrow, but I was thinking about you all day.
I was thinking about you too, Miss Kim.
Go on in and put on the outfit I brought for you. It's in the top drawer of my desk.
There might be a slight problem.
What?
It's too small.
The outfit or you?
Stop!
So now let's create another fake text story video. However, this time, we will use a custom template. But before that, I just saw that 97% of you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel. So please, like this video and subscribe to the channel. So click the Fake Text Story feature again. Go to the AI script option and click Custom Prompt. Just give an idea for the conversation you want, and then click the Generate Script button. And in seconds, Korpi AI will import the messages in the following format. Click the Upload button to add a profile image to your video, and from below, provide a name to your contact. Next, move on to the Themes section. Here are several chat themes, so choose any of them. Next, go the Video section. It allows you to select a background for your video. I will go with Fortnite. In the Audio section, you can choose the background music for your video. As of now, I will not select any of them. Finally, select voiceovers for both the left and right speakers. You can preview a voice by clicking here, so choose a voice according to your needs. We are all set. Simply click on the Generate Video button. Korpi AI will begin the video generation. So, let's fast forward the generation process. And, as you can see, our video is ready. Click here to download the video. Here's a small preview of it.
Hey, I need to talk to you about something.
What's up, Mom?
It's not about your mom, it's about your dad.
What about him?
I know this might sound weird, but I was thinking maybe we could share a bed.
What? No way.
Just hear me out.
No, I don't want to hear it.
Your dad is always working. He never pays attention to me.
That's not my problem.
I'm lonely, and I thought maybe we could comfort each other.
You're my stepmom. This is disgusting.
Don't be like that. It could be nice. We could get to know each other better.
I don't want to know you better. I want my real mom back.
She's not coming back. Sweetie, your dad and I are happy together.
You're not happy. That's why you're trying to get with me.
As you can see, our video is fantastic. I'm not showing the entire preview as the video is quite long. Now, let's talk about pricing. So, I want to be transparent with you guys. Korpi AI is not free, and you start with 0 credits. Currently, there is no way to get free credits. However, this tool is quite affordable, and it's worth considering their subscription plans. There are 3 different plans. The hobby plan is $13 per month. The Clipper plan is $24 per month, while the Pro plan costs $38 per month. Simply click the Get Deal button to save 30% off on all plans. This makes it even more affordable. Additionally, you can even buy credits separately for just $0.6 per credit. I believe it is extremely reasonable because you will get a wide range of features. So, to purchase a plan, use the link provided below. And that's it! We just created a viral fake tech story video in no time. If you really want to go viral on YouTube or TikTok and earn thousands of dollars every month, I strongly recommend giving Korpi AI a try. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to AI Upskill. My goal is to deliver you with the best and most latest AI tools. Let me know in the comments which feature you are most excited to try, and I will see you in the next video.